everyone, my name is Sarthak Gupta and today I am going to tell you about the Jungle Book. Do you know it's a very famous cartoon in this year? So let's start it. Today I will tell you its beginning part. Part 1. Once upon a time there was a beautiful jungle. A family of humans came here by airplane in which there was a small baby and his mother and father. See, here is a baby. His mother and father was a forester, so only they came here in this jungle to check whether the soil in this region is fertile or not and to check that this pollution came till here or not. Do you know what is the meaning of forester? Foresters are those who take care of the forest. So they have only came here to check that whether the soil is fertile or not and to check that this pollution came till here or not. That baby was very cute and his name was Mowgli. See, in this picture also he is also very cute and his name is Mowgli. One day when he was sleeping, his mother and father thought that let's check the water and also we will drink some water if it is not polluted. But suddenly when they gone from there, two deers came near the lake to drink water. And what they see that there are some humans. So one of them said, "Hey, we should not go there because there are humans. They can harm us." But the other one said, "No, come on, let's drink water. Don't be scared. They didn't harm us." Then they both see that there is a human being stand. So they both go inside and see that there is a human being's baby. And at that time only Mowgli was wake up and see that there are two deers. Do you know these animals always these animals have very curiosity to see the human beings, that how they live, how their baby is. So let's read more about it. The deers quietly go outside of the tent, but Mowgli go more quietly than the deers. Then deers go inside of the jungle and Mowgli also go. They all go deep and deep in the jungle as they can go. On their route, they saw Kaa, a python. See, he is a python. So deers run fast and go from there. But Mowgli cannot run fast, so he stayed there only. When Kaa took Mowgli into his pack, he was surprised to see that Mowgli was not scared, whereas he was playing with his tail. See how brave Mowgli is. He was not scared with animals. Otherwise, unless he is playing with his tail. Then at that place, a bear whose name was Baloo, he came. See, he is a Baloo. When he saw a human's baby, he thought that we should call our friend Bagheera, a black panther. He said to Kaa to call Bagheera, but at another side, Bagheera was catching a prey who was a bull, and he catch to him also. And suddenly the Kaa came there and he told the full story to Bagheera. So he was going with Kaa at that place where Baloo was. See, he is a Bagheera. So, my dear friends, I thought that you like this story. It's this part 1 very much. So, this is the part 1. The part 2 and part 3 I will tell you later on. So, till then, bye bye. And share this video more and please subscribe our channel and also like our channel. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.